This is the unique Ava1561P colorful packing box. Lead box on floor. Cut the remove straps. Remove box cover. Take out all parts and the hardware pouches. Ready for assemble. First lay the foam sheet on floor. Take 4 wheels and cart base with bottom facing up. Engage 4 wheels brake disc to prevent wheel turning. Turn 4 wheels into 4 base fit fret hose and tighten them by spanner. Turn over base. Place shorter feet toward you. Take post assembly with labels facing you and slide into 2 pole holes. These are 2MB hardware pouches. Take 4 screws from hardware pouch. Turn 2 screws into the lower post. Connecting plate tightened by Allen key. Flip down base assembly. Turn 2 remaining screws into 2 bottom thread holes. Tightened by Allen key. Lift up base assembly. This is adjustable height label for reference. It is 50 mm instead. To set desired height, use one hand thumb to press against the spring ball. Another hand then grabs and twists upper pole along spring ball slip inside pole. Then pull pole upward by both hands until your desired height is set. Then twist the pole in reverse direction until spring ball appears. Repeat the same procedures on the other pole. Draw out place AV shelf from brown box. Take Allen key, left and right shelf support arms, 2 circular locks and 2 screws. First, turn over AV shelf. Slide right support arms, teardrop hole into shelf pivot pin. Push support arm downward to engage a smaller teardrop hole. Hold shelf assembly vertically tight by hand. Another, take a circular lock and slide into arms open slot. Then hold shelf assembly horizontally by both hands. Moves toward pole and let arm and circular lock go around. Insert and turn screw into circular lock, tightened by Allen key. Repeat the same procedures on the other support arm. Align locking plate screw holes with post. Insert 4 screws. Here is the interface for TV. There are 4 threaded holes. Align interface thread hose to screws. Turn screws into 4 thread hose. Tightened by Allen key. Before installing vertical rails onto TV or smartboard, ensure TV or smartboard is at right up position. Take left and right vertical rails. Put vertical rails, spacer, screws, and washers on it. Ensure rails are at the correct left-right positions. As video for example, put spacers on top of locking holes. Lay the vertical rails on it. Tighten up by Phillips screwdriver. Carry assembled TV by 2 persons. Place it on top of interface center. Take left and right locking blades. Slide it into locking hole at the lower rail. Tighten them by Phillips screwdriver. Before installing the video tray, remove the 2 screws from locking plate. Here is the video tray connecting plate. Remove 4 screws from it. Put the video cam locking plate on top of the connecting plate. Using back the 4 screws that removed before, insert and turn into the 4 thread hose. Move assembly near to the locking plate. Align 2 thread hose with connecting plate slots. Insert and turn 2 screws into thread hose. Set desired video tray height and tighten. These are the cable window seals. Fingers press into cable window, that is it. There are 4 of them. Using same method to seal them all. Take plastic cover to cover up pull button connecting plate. By now, the installation of Ava1561P mobile cart is fully completed. Release 4 wheels brake disc. Cart is then ready to be used. Here is the video cam installation position. The Ava1561P comes with a good aesthetics look, economics and practical. Here is the Ava1871P heavy-duty mobile cart unique color box. The assemble procedures are about the same with Ava1500. Draw out 2 screws.